Hello everyone, welcome to Swarag Beauty Channel. Today is a day in our life video. As you guys know, we have a busy life. So we have been working all day in the morning, and then we came in the evening to one of our properties, and we are in the process of painting it, cleaning it, making it nice and good. So what you'll see here is the wall that I'm currently painting. So there have been some nails in the wall that we have to remove and patch it up before I could paint it. So that's what you're seeing right here. So I have selected, this is the paint that we've selected, Grey Forest. It's a nice neutral paint, and white. And these are all the tools and cleaning supplies that we brought here. So we are tackling one room at a time, with this being the first one that we are tackling. We're just going to make this one an accent wall. After we finish the painting, I think it's going to look good. We will also be doing carpet cleaning, pretty much everything A to Z will be done. And let me show you the two rooms that I've already started painting. So here's the first one. You'll see it had a beige color, and now it has a nice neutral gray color. It just freshens up the room quite nicely. So this is what it looks like. I have some edging work to do, so I'll be finishing that up this evening. It took me probably 30 minutes to get the walls done, and then I just started edging a few minutes ago, so I will be wrapping that up here shortly. And then what you see here is the other bedroom, which I just started painting. Again, these walls started painting, took care of the nails, just left the major ones out there in case we have to hang a picture frame and whatnot. So that's what this looks like. Got the curtains out of the way so I can finish the the painting nicely. And then once the painting is done, I'm going to focus on cleaning up all the windowsills, the windows, and pretty much every nook and corner of this home will be neatly tidied up and cleaned up and sanitized. So this is the third one, the other bedroom. Again, I started painting this one, you'll notice. And there are some stains on the closet door. We need to figure out a way to clean this up. If not, we'll just either spray paint it or something else, so we cannot obviously leave it like this. Then there's also some stains up here, so we'll take care of those as well. And we've also been working in our backyard and cleaning up unwanted plants and taking care of the weeds. So this is what it looks like right now. I'll keep working through this and give you guys an update as I go. So every evening we'll be setting aside a few hours to take care of this cleanup work, and hopefully by this weekend, today is Thursday evening, so by Sunday evening I think we should have the home all fully tidied up and cleaned up. Keep watching. So we are now removing the air vents. We don't like the color. You see how dusty this is? We are just going to get rid of this and just replace it with a brand new one. So we're going to go ahead to Home Depot and get that done. We're basically going to replace all of the air vents that comes with this property and get it all replaced with the brand new pure white colored ones. I think that's going to add a fresh look to the house too. You see how these look right now? Once my husband removes it, I think it's going to look quite dirty. Instead of sitting and cleaning it, I think it's just best to simply replace it. Look at this, guys. I'm almost done. Only thing left is the edging, it makes a huge difference. This accent wall makes a huge difference to the look of this room. A close-up look. Beautiful neutral gray with white. Best combination you can ask for. There you go. And once we change all these air ones, it's going to only look better. Few things that we do. The first day we take stock of everything we need. For example, yesterday when I came to the property, we spent the time looking at every single room, looking at every aspect of this home to see what needs to be fixed. So we make a list of the things that we need to purchase. So, and once we did that, we went to Walmart, Home Depot to get all the supplies that we need. And we started the cleanup work the following day, which is today. Yesterday we were at the property until 9 o'clock at night, and then we went back home. But it gives us confidence that we know exactly what we need to buy and what we need to do, and we make a detailed plan of what our following days are going to look like. Every single day we have a plan of, hey, we want to tackle this. We divide and conquer, my husband and I. We don't both focus on the same thing. When I'm painting, he's doing something else. When I need him to do edging, he comes and he helps me out. There are things that I cannot do that only he can, because he's just good at it, that he does. So it's like we divide and conquer, and we know exactly what we want the day to look like, and we plan and map out the day. That's how we tackle this type of work. And you might have seen other videos of mine that's like home improvement type videos, and this is pretty much the same model we use every single time. All right, I wanted to share the progress with you guys. So I have fully completed this wall, as well as the edges have all been completed. And this wall, you'll notice I'm working on the edges right now as we speak. And it's already dark outside. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell from that window? It's dark outside, so it's gonna be almost 10 o'clock. So I probably will be wrapping up the day with this, and then when I come back tomorrow, we'll be able to finish the rest. So let me show you the other stuff that we've taken care of. So we brought the carpet cleaner as well from our car. So we've started to clean the carpet a little bit. These stains, you notice these stains was way more prominent than what it looks like right now. But with a lot of carpet cleaning, spot cleaning specifically, I think we've been able to mute the discoloration a little bit. We're going to keep on it for the next few days. We bought several carpet cleaning items to support this particular work set. Like I said, a couple of these spots have not fully gone away, so we're going to go ahead and try and see what else we can do. We're going to bring the Dawn detergent to see if that would help us. So we have this carpet cleaner that we are using. I'll link the other video in my description. This video on Bissell carpet cleaner I've already done a review of and demo as well, so I'll make sure that I put it in the description. Yeah, so this is another thing that we've been working on. My husband is feverishly working on the other aspects, which is cleaning, air vents and things like that. So he's focused on that while I'm doing this. Of course, he's also helping with the carpet cleaning here and there. So you'll notice that there is still a little bit of edging left with this particular room. So I'm going to have to continue and pick this back up tomorrow when I come back in the evening. So that's what this room looks like. I think it still looks quite nice. The color is still quite nice. And then this room, it's so dark right now. So you'll notice this particular room, I don't know if you can tell, you see how I have not been able to complete the edging yet. So this, I would have to pick this back up again tomorrow. And then the final room, same deal. I finished all the walls. I still have the edging left. So you'll notice that's all there is left in this particular room. Obviously, you know, the cabinet needs to be cleaned up. Also, I don't know if you can tell, you see the difference between the last color and the new one. The previous color is also gray, new one is also gray, but different shades of gray. So that's why you can see you can tell the difference right there. We don't know what we used the last time, so we just had to take a guess and get another gray. Unfortunately, it didn't match, but that's okay. I think this gray is nicer looking too. And then there's one more spot here on the carpet. We're gonna try and see if we can get it out. But I think we're all done for the night. We'll pick this back up tomorrow and show you guys our progress.